Hello and welcome to my video blog. In this video blog I will show you how I open my newly bought Canon EOS R digital full frame mirrorless camera. I bought this camera off E-infin internet store on the 9th September, and today it's 16th September, so basically it took 1 week for my new camera to arrive. So yeah, let's begin and let's open. Okay, so I will put this aside. So this is the mount adapter for the EF lens to the EOS R, the new system. Okay. Put that aside, instructions. Okay, nice bag. And here it is. Okay. Looks solid so far. I will see how it implements in the real life using bigger lens. Yeah, let's put that aside. And okay, here is the camera box. Okay, here we go. Okay, the instruction. We'll probably look at it a bit later. Charger, cable, USB, battery, and here it is with strap. Smaller strap than usual. I'm used to the bigger one. Okay, let's put this aside. Guys, don't be too harsh. This is my first unboxing video, so I'm still learning. And here it is. Yeah. So yeah, this is basically it. We'll see probably. I will probably make another video with review or something like that. Maybe, I don't know how is it using this camera. Thank you for watching.